Hi, myself Neetu, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Dr. SNSINSTITUTIONS, College of Arts and Science. In this lecture video, I could share my cloud computing lecture series. In this first video, I explore the cloud types and cloud definitions, and I covered all overall cloud computing. So, cloud computing is a storage space. It demands IT resources over the internet. Without internet, it could not work. The global cloud market is projected to reach as accordingly $1.2 trillion by 2027. They generate the future generations, and currently 94 percentage of entrepreneur leverage cloud service for their operations. A cloud is a storage space, and its core characteristics are it have five different types, that is on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and the measured service. The on-demand self-service means provisions resource instantly without a human interaction. On-demand means the particular person or particular client or demand on the particular time the service will be provided the virtual machine through the minute. And broad network access, it is an example of modem, Wi-Fi. That's a example of broad network access. And the resource pooling means multi-talent model, shared physical resources like Amazon Web Services, operating systems like operating systems, Windows, Linux, Unix, like this. These are resource pooling. Repaid elasticity means when the downgrade of demand, they adapt the same the elasticities. And the measured service, usage tracked and optimized for the cost efficient monitor data transfer and CPU hours. And why we use the cloud? So we can store the particular space in our phone, our laptops or the systems. But through the cloud, we can store and we can manage multiple types of data and the information through the internet without without any large size of hardware and software in this service. So first one is cost efficient. It is very user friendly and the cost very efficient. So scalability and agility and reliability and the global research. And we provide a service model like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. IaaS means infrastructure as a service, PaaS means platform as a service, and SaaS software as a service. I I I thoroughly I briefly explain this three models to the next lecture series. Okay. Deployment model. So deployment have three types of models. First one is private, and the second one is public, and third one is hybrid. So definition of deployment is service offered by third party provider accessible over the public the internet. Examples: Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, cloud computing platform. So these companies are providing the cloud application through the current current technologies. So four types of companies providing the cloud service. First one is Amazon Web Service, AWS, and the Microsoft Azure and cloud, Google, and the fourth one is IBM. Characteristics: multi-talent, highly scalable, pay as you go. So when you use this server or the data as you pay at the time. So deployment model, private model. This is the private model of deployment model. Decided cloud infrastructure for single organization offer exclusive resources. And the hybrid model, combination of public and private. We can both use public server and the private service in this hybrid cloud. So it offers flexibility and workload optimization, enable a right cloud for the right workload approach. And 80% of entrepreneurs plan hybrid cloud adaptation by 2025. So this is the conclusion of this video. We can use the strategies of cloud adaptation. So we can use AI and ML through this cloud